invincible.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday, TGIF. Hope everyone's had a great night or ready for a great day. Good morning, Robin. Yes, you are first. How are you today? Excuse me. Yes, and NQ kind of rising up after a dip. Low on ES, 55.38. The high, 55.79. It's about 41 points in range. There's some early morning quick math. 382 on NQ, 487 for the high, 105 points. Hey, math is going well today. Awesome. Glad to hear that. Seems like people are doing well with those. Happy to hear that. I am doing well. Thank you. Kappa, about 100 ticks in range. Ultra Bond, falling. About 3/4 of a point in range. Now, gold. Gold we need to talk about. Gold broke the 3,000 mark for the first time ever and sitting above 3,000 now. 24 points in range. Big shout out to Sid Chase. I hope he comes on today. When gold was sitting at like 1,800, he said it's going to 3,000 and it'll be within 2 years. He was right. Crude oil. Oh, got the yellow line at the wrong spot. About 80 ticks in range. Natural gas coming down. Bitcoin trying to recover some to 83. That's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this fine Friday morning. So how many funded TPTs do you have now, Robin? News this morning. Let's check our news. Canadian wholesale sales is not going to move the market, but 10 o'clock, University of Michigan sentiment preliminary is coming up. That'll move the market. Awesome. Once again, you're killing it. We're a little bit sideways here. Are you trying to make next year's tax bill bigger than this year's? Yes, it is. He's doing nothing right now. Nothing. Um, Yeah, I did, but I'll be sending the check next month. I need to figure out ways to reduce my taxes for this year. Honestly, the actual taxes weren't bad. It's that darn whole Medicare and other thing taxes, the self-employment stuff. I'm not connected. Where am I connected at? Hey, Des. There it is. So I went short there. No idea where my stop's at, but it's popping back up on me. I have to stop. Come on down. There we go. That's better. And there we go. Getting some momentum my way. Come on. Come down to that 9. Break the 9. No. Doesn't want to break. Yes, absolutely you have. I appreciate that very much. And so does the federal government. And the state of Illinois. There it goes. That's what I was wanting. Nope. Ouch. Bounce. There we go. Come on. There we go. Now we're cooking with some gas. Oh, whoa! Ah, man! Really? I don't know where that spike came from, but I went from being up 8 points to taking a 2 point stop. Ouch! Wow. Oh, it was only a 2 point stop. Morning, Chris. Chattanooga, Tennessee. Are you driving through or are you there for a couple days? Short. Ouch. That was a lot of slippage there. We'll try to short again. Morning there, Mark. Good morning, motivation. All right. Oh, cool. Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one. You're welcome. Taking it off there. There we go. So I got 6 points there. Got back my 2 points plus a few more points. I started the stream 13 minutes ago, PD. How you doing? I mean, I think it's personal preference. Almost everywhere I go with 50Ks. You know, I don't ever see myself needing a whole bunch of contracts per account. So, 50Ks has what I need. Decent drawdown. You can start off with micros if you want, and it won't cause you to be that slow in passing, etc. I am good, thank you, PD. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what caused that wacky spike there, Robin, but came right back down and wish my stop had been just a little bit higher where it wouldn't have been hit. But no matter what my strategy would have been, my stop would have been within the hit zone there. Morning, RJ. Wow, you're here early. You're fired. No, I'm kidding. I just dropped my phone. Crap, where did it go? That's okay. No problem. Puts up the help wanted sign. Have a good weekend, RJ. We'll see you Monday. Sideways. So even though I have it right below here, my 3-minute chart's right down here, I plotted the 3-minute 9 EMA on the 30-second chart so I can better visualize it where it's at. And I notice if the 9 and if the 30-second and the 3-minute really start separating, that's another good sign of a potential reversal type trade. I also added, my shaded areas tell me when the regular Bollinger Bands hit, the 2 standard deviation. You can see here where this red and this green get brighter. That's when it hits the 3 standard deviation. You can see how that led to a big reversal and a small reversal there. So I'm also watching that. Thank you, RJ. Everyone else should gore that like button as well. Thank you much. Well, that I want to get done this weekend. We have a severe line of storms coming through today or tonight. Hopefully, it doesn't knock out power because it's hard to make videos in the dark. I want to get my new YouTube channel up and running. I want to get some videos made for the Propfirm review type things. No, I did not have a generator. Oh, there's a pop again. I was told, I know nothing about this stuff, so I was told for some reason this, the way the power's with this house, it wouldn't be able to handle a generator. But I don't know anything about that. I guarantee you the next house I have will have a generator. Next house I have also probably will not be in Illinois. Wish I hope not. Alright, where's my stop? There. short here. Would like to see it get down to that EMA. Instead, it's going to hit my stop. Yep, 3-point stop, hit. Give a little, lose a little. We're up $5.96 on the day. $5.96. Awesome, glad to hear. Send your receipt into support, and then they'll get you the second one. I've never done it, so but that's how it's done. Yeah, it's confusing. I guess they probably don't have an easy way to code that. There you go, Chris. There you go, MR. Chris did it. They've only ever done this particular sale one other time. Normally, it's either 50% off and no activation fees, or 50% off and buy one get one. But the fact that they have 50% off, buy one get one free, and no activation fees, they only did that one other time. I think that was back on like Black Friday ish. Still rising. I see, and you are rising. Reminder Monday, CFT will be here. Also Monday, the Apex giveaway that Robin has sponsored. The winners, the bot will pick the winners, and we'll have those live on stream. You know who they are. They won't actually be here. Well, some of you might be here. But if you haven't entered that giveaway yet, you should on the Discord. If are you a member of my Discord, MR? No. There's a giveaway channel. I'll tag the herd so you see it. It'll light up here in a minute. Whenever you see it, giveaways is right under the important stuff section and above the general chat. Well, hanging right above 19,500 right now. You're welcome. Continue to kind of rise, grind up at an hour from the bell. They do not support NT unless you have your own license. You have your own license, you can use it. Otherwise, no. Still rising. Oop, there's a quick pullback. Oh, we'll give it a try. They did have some sort of announcement yesterday. Maybe that was it. Oh, besides the sale. I need to have active accounts of every prop firm so I can test stuff. They should all give me free accounts so I can do that. Rising up still. Oh, excellent. Didn't take that purple. I should have. Morning, John. How are you today? How are you doing today, John? Awesome. Can't wait till you can take the rest of your life off from work so you can concentrate on trading. And we will be here to celebrate with you when it does. Short off the 3-minute purple candle. I don't like the way the 30-second looks. Ah, took her off for 5 ticks. I think we're going to bounce up again, then we'll look for another entry. I could be wrong, but we'll see. It's going. Oh, it's another purple candle. Maybe I can get back in. Purple candle, very tight stop. There we go. Touches that 9 EMA and bounces. Darn it. Should have just taken it. I could have got 5. Ooh, I should have taken it. Ouch. Just trying again. Yep. Gotta stop me. Stopped out. So I give a little, get a little, give a little, get a little, give a little. Serious? You're gonna come down again? If at first you don't succeed, try again. It's gotta get through that 9. The 3-minute 9 EMA is now that little green squiggly line you see there. It's got to get through there. You can see it on the obviously you can see it on the 3-minute chart as well, but you have it represented on the 30-second for easier reference too. There we go. Hits the 9, bursts through. Come on, continue on now. It's playing around the 9. There we go. That's a break. There we go. Booyah. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna get out there. That's gonna be 11 points. 510 to 499. So it took 3 tries. I did take 2 wins out of 3 losses there. It was 5 ticks. I won 5 ticks. I lost 4.5 points, and then I won 11 points. So it looks like I got out of a good spot too. I got out at 499, and it only went down to 497 so far. I think it's going to continue to drop though. Yeah, there's another purple. But it's hanging right around that big old even number 500, so things can sometimes bounce off even numbers. Other than they just pull right through. You see here, it's trying to bounce. And there it is, pop back up. And back down. And now it's fallen. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? Nice, John. Sideways. Anyone else taking any trades yet? We're 45 minutes till the bell. Morning, Crypticon. How are you and your CBD? Oh, crap. Any idea why that happened, John? This might be stupid. I might give back my gains, but I feel like this one's too short here. It wasn't an actual signal. Uh, I'm not an NT expert, and I don't know one. I have NT experts on the Discord I can ask. Tighten the stop. I think this isn't going to work. We'll see. Hi, Nate. That's why I gave up on it, John. I wish I had my. I wish I had all the time back that I put into it. Honestly, if I had been working on my trading when I was working on all that algo stuff, I mean, I was working on my trading too then. But if I had been spending that much time, maybe I would have gotten better quicker. Or maybe it was just all part of the process. Come on, drop. No, I had somebody doing it for me based on the parameters I was giving them. The only code I know is HTML from 25 years ago. Mm, crawls back up. And then they added cascading style sheets, and that I never figured that stuff out. Which is why if I try to build a website today, it looks like something out of 1999 GeoCities. It's going to stop me out, I think. Yep. Stopped out for 5 point loss. All right, actually, 4.5 points. chopping around here as we head toward the top of the hour. Now, I am thinking about having someone code my current strategy, see if I can get some sort of automation. I've had this strategy coded a little bit before, well, kind of, but I've adjusted it since then. So I may need to pay someone to actually. That won't be until after I get the new system. I plan on keeping the old NT on the old system, new NT on the new system. Right now my NT is broken and I can't figure out why. Try a short again. What the heck? Someone said, Nate, it was Nate that said my target. Right now, my target just automatically set at 50 points and I adjust after I'm in. Right now, we're definitely not getting 50-point target. Well, we could if we held for a while, obviously. But my average trade time's 90 seconds, and we're not getting 50 points in 90 seconds. What is our ATR right now? ATR is less than 5. This is our slowest morning of the week. Someone wants to tweet about tariffs right now to drop this thing 50 points in 2 seconds. I would appreciate it. There we go. Now we got some momentum to the downside. So stop. Stop some profit following that last candle. We are in a green shaded area, which means we're hitting the Bollingers on this. Bouncing up on me there. One. Oh, back down. Come on. Give me some more. I want some more. Please, sir, may I have some more? No, I'm out. There we go. 9 points, 9.5 points on that one. And look at the bounce. Nice. That was actually a long signal for me there in the green candle in the green shaded area. I didn't like the wick on it, so I didn't take it, which you can see I could have got more back up. That's how you get your free account, Crypt. Your free setup fees. I believe. I've never done it, but I said I believe. I believe that's how you get your free. Right back down, though. So Nate said he liked my target at 50 points. I was in it exactly 500, so see if it gets down to that 450 area. I could definitely see it doing that. It might take a couple pullbacks before it does. Nice, John. Very nice. Oh, don't complain, Cred. That means you can get another one and have it active free, or actually, I'll keep it and I don't know. Don't complain. No one should ever reset a funded account. It's always going to be prohibitively expensive. That's my opinion. Yeah, I really doubt that's going to work on that crypt. rising up real quick. Turnaround. I don't have anything. I didn't realize there was any. I mean, I'm not aware of anything crypt. I mean, an awesome thing to give away if it was available. Can I get some? Probably not. Ooh, that was a quick whip down. I could have taken that quick. It's bigger than it looked like. I mean, not as big as it looked. Only 5 points right down. No, I don't think I can get any of that crypt. Reminder, folks, contract roll this weekend. Roll into the June contract. Everyone got really, really quiet. Yeah. No one ever should feel the absolute need to talk or chat, whatever. Just continuing to hang around 19.5 here. Gold's still hanging about 3,000. Ooh, copper with a deadly pullback. Deadliest pullbacks. Hey, Plat. Hey, Ace. How you doing, Ace? How are you doing, Plat? Everybody's trading for the weekend. Short. Give me a wick. Hi, TNL. Am I trading using a bot? No, I am not. Tried that in the past. It never works out. Welcome to the channel. There we go. There's a drop. TNL, I must insist you stay now because you're obviously a good luck charm. Ah, never mind. I got stopped. It just bounced up on me. I got 9 ticks there. Could have got much more, but it just popped right back up real quick. But 9, it's a winning trade. It might come right back down. I was trailing the stop. It hit the 9 and then came right back down. So that was a little bit of a bummer. It's one of the problems with trailing like that. Should have trailed 2 candles behind, but we'll get the next one. It was still a winning trade. Just, $45 instead of the 200 I could have had. Do you use a bot, TNL? What do you like to trade? How long have you been trading? I always ask news people questions. You can always feel free to just tell me to mind my own business. Yeah, I can explain that. Give me 1 minute. Need to check my phone for on something, and then I will explain my purples and blues. Right. Okay. So the purples and blues that you see are just engulfing candles, and I often use those as triggers, especially so. I'm looking for. Let me find a good. This is a good example. I'm looking for purples when I'm below the 9 and it's touching the 9 for a continuation down, or I'm looking for purples when we're bouncing off of a band, the top Bollinger Band. These shaded areas tell me we're hitting the Bollinger without having the Bollinger actually on the screen and add more squiggly lines. So you can see how that purple there led to that nice move there. And then opposite in the blues. The blues, when they're touching the 9 going up, would be an entry there. This one's technically not touching the 9, but you can see the same concept. And then the blues when, trying to find a good example. There's another good example of here coming out of the Bollingers. Nice big blue candle leads to the move up. That's what my purples and blues are for. They're just engulfing candles that I often use as a trigger to enter trades. See how this blue candle, it touched the band. You can see the green shaded area, and it led to this quick 8-point move. Purple candle coming down. That's what they are. Good morning, Amelia. Oh, Ace, you're not going to be here either? Neither RJ nor Ace today. You're welcome, John. Welcome to the stream. Always feel free to ask questions. Now you see how this purple candle. Now I also use the RSI down here. It's the ultimate RSI from Lux Algo. I don't know what the difference is between regular RSI, but I don't use it for overbought, oversold really that much. But I do like this. watch where the RSI line is with the signal line, etc. So more like if the RSI line's below the signal line, I'm more likely to take the short. You see how this purple candle, I didn't take it, but it led to a nice 7 points so far, maybe more. So yeah, that would have 87 so far down the side. Yeah, it would have been a 10-pointer. We have 15 minutes till the bell. Again, reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Let others know you're joining the stream, so maybe we can find some more new friends. So far today, we are up. It's been a give and take kind of morning, but we're up 277.88. Someone mentioned that I don't ever show my P&L, and they make a good point. I usually don't, not because I need to hide it. Just I need to find a place on the screen for it. I Yeah, it's interesting. The last couple of weeks has been my best 2 weeks ever trading. So I never really worried about showing P&L. People thinking, with people thinking I was lying because it never was that impressive. But yesterday, guy was like, hey, I just need to know you're honest. Yeah, so I can understand that. So if it helps, there's my P&L so far today, right there, 277.88. This is this is only a My Funded Futures competition account. It's not an evaluation, not a funded account. But yeah, I've been trading it exactly like I would trade, my actual my strategy. So, which is why I did the competition account to get more comfortable and confident in my strategy. We might just move back to accounts that matter next week. I'm not going to win this thing because I haven't been trying to go for YOLOs or anything. Which I'm sure person winning is up like 600%. They're 579% now. So they actually pulled back a little bit. Whereas I am up 95%, which isn't bad, doubling the account in less than 2 weeks. Down here at 470 now. I don't know if Nate's still here. Remember, Nate said he liked my target at 450 when I entered at 500. Long, got a little bit of slippage there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ouch, 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 ouch. Did not get my stop in place there in time. Out. Oh, we're just giving back now. That was probably it. Yeah, that was an iffy candle to take. I should have never taken it. How's a bad trade? Hello, USC. So now my P&L is less. I like this blue candle better. Nice pop on it. Try it. Yeah. Nope. Not going to go for me here. We're going to end up starting after the bell red, I think. What was that candle? That was 9 points. Not horrible. Let's see. It's showing some green here. Let's see what it does. I gave it up 102 too soon. Let's see. How come you didn't hire a guy to actually hang those gutters, USC? I thought that's why the gutter guy was coming, not just to bend them in place, but to actually put them in place. Up, stopped out. So we're now for the day. We're up $3.52. First person that says green is green gets smacked. Well, that adds some spiciness to the pineapple there, USC. Wukando wants to invite me again to this. I'm here for the party. I'm here for the party. I'm here till they throw me out. Little Gretchen Wilson on this Friday. It just won't go. I'm going to get nailed with 1,000 paper cuts this morning. Not my best trading this morning, honestly. Those of you who knew, I've been doing much better earlier this week and last week than right now. All right, there we go. Touches the 9. And shorten our target there, but I don't think it's going to go back up. No, out. Eh. Yes, yes, it is, Mr. And we will stay flat now until after the open because the markets beat me up too much the last couple minutes. Honestly, I mean, bad trading because I didn't adjust to the slower market today. I should have been going for smaller targets. Gotten so used to going for 20 points, 30 points that I should have been going for 5 and 10. See if we pick up after the bell. Remember, at the top of the hour, we have University of Michigan sentiment preliminary. That usually moves the market some. 2-minute warning. Quick dip to 460. Ace always tells me he needs a fill in for the 2-minute warning, and he's always here for it. I guess you're not trading today, Ace. If that's the case, I don't need to remind you that it's Friday. Forty seconds. They allow open trading. They're one of the strictest news trading rules around. Not only is it more than the big four, but there's a couple of other smaller reports that don't allow you to news trade for, and you're not allowed to trade anytime on a funded account. You're not allowed to trade anytime Powell speaking. A little bit of a pop up here. Feels like it wants to head up, but ugh. We are up 31 points. We are up 37 points. Pulls back a bit. Got up to 511. By the way, we did hit 450 that Nate talked about earlier. I think he's gone now, but good call, Nate. You can see the bright shaded area on my 30-second chart means we're butting up against the 3 standard deviation. Still rising now. Ooh. It's hard to see the candle when it's that bright. Oops. I'll need to adjust that. Or short. I don't know about it. I shorted right into the 9 EMA, which kind of sucks. Yeah, this is going to hurt me. Stopped out, and that out. I even got slippage on that. That was dumb. Dumb of me not to get out right on the when that blue candle formed. That blue candle was a signal to go back up, and I didn't even get. So I could have got out for a smaller loss there, but yeah. Yeah, now I'm really not trading my best. Oops. Bad entry, worse exit there. when you hit $5,000 in your actual account, Nate. But if you don't want to go live yet, then just withdraw so you stay under that 5,000 mark. They won't force the issue until you hit around 20,000 in profit. So it's up to you if you want to go. If you want to go live pretty quick, then just make $5,000 and they'll invite the live. If you don't want to go live very quick, then just constantly keep your account underneath 5,000 in profit. Oh, 90 points since the bell. Oh, well, now it's 100. Yeah, I tried to take a short and that didn't work out, John. Heading towards 600. Are we a high day? Probably. Yeah, way high day. Yesterday we hit 631 at one point on the move up before it crashed back down, and the high day yesterday was 694. Up almost 135 points now since the bell. Got a purple forming. See if it holds. I like it because you can see the 3-minute is hitting the Bollinger Band. Third Bollinger Band. We're short. Looking for a big drop here. There we go. Go. Sniffs the 9, bounces on it. Goes, breaks through. Oh. Now I'm going to take the 9 points there, 9.25. Starts bouncing up. Got out at the right time. Wow. Should have taken that candle, and when it hit the 9, got out. That was an 18. That's okay. Thank you, John. Still think I might come back down. We're a long way away from the 9 on the 3 on it. And it's showing signs that it might want to. So for levels, let's see. What does our first resistance level on the trigger point is all the way up at 687. It's 100 points from here. We hit 600 almost to the tick, 600.5, and bounced down. Purple candle, can it break the 9? It's dancing on it. Nope, back to green. And small red doji there. Yep, we got news in 20 minutes. University of Michigan. Start spreading the news. We're trading today. I want to be a part of it. NQ. NQ. Purple candle on the 3 is interesting. We're going to take it. We're going to put our stop. Yeah, we'll put our stop there. Come on, drop some more. No, that's going the wrong way. There we go. That's the right way. Uh-huh, uh-huh. That's the way, uh-huh, uh-huh, we like it. No, don't bounce back up on me. Ah, there we go. Yeah, listen, Leox. No. These trades just don't want to go today. There it goes. I think. Yeah. Nope, back to my entry. Ooh, ouch, ouch. Ah, it's going to stop me out. Damn it. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe so. It can't decide. Yeah, no, it is. We'll see. I didn't play that one right. Technically, my stop should have been all the way at the top of the wick on that 3 minute, which would have been at 590. I was in at 62, so that would have been a 28-point stop. And yeah, here it comes. Look at this purple. So I didn't play it right. I didn't put my stop where it belonged, and I probably just took a loss that I probably wouldn't have needed to. We'll see what this does. No, didn't give me the signal. Yeah, I had a feeling gold might. Ooh, wow. Yeah, it really fell. I mean, it went over 3,000 for the first time overnight. Still a slower morning. Our ATR is still only 16. ES having a day. I can see all green candles on the ES on the 3 minute. Think you're gonna try again for 600? Nice, USC. Great job. Wow, I am just getting unlucky today. That's a short there, and it shot down 20 ticks and immediately bounced. Yep, stopped out. I mean, the worst trading day I've had in the last 2 weeks. Which, of course, is because I really was looking forward to finishing up a 2 week all green run, but I don't think I'm going to get back there today. But we'll see. Yes, once you submit the thing to support your receipt to support, they'll email you a code to get your free one. Still rising. We're up at 608 now. I 8 now. 6 oh 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 8 now. Yeah, it's one of the best. I actually think that's the best type of drawdown, even better than end of day. I think end of day you can lead to thinking, well, you're up $1,000. You think like, well, you know what? I can take a couple of risky trades because you know what, if it comes back on me and I lose that 1,000. Well, I'm just starting tomorrow where I started today. ES is running like crazy. uh, in Q4 and back here. Eh, Missed the pullback. That would have been nice. Got a little gun shy there, honestly. For about 7 minutes until news. So we got the 620. Came down, kind of bounced back up. Fallen. Short. Targets on the 9, EMA at the 3. Should be about 18 points. Just fall, gosh darn it. How many times can I be wrong in one day? Don't challenge that question. There we go. Purple. On. Will not hold through the news. I don't think this trade will last that long, but if it does, I won't hold. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, MR. Well, at least I moved my stop tighter thanks to that purple candle. There we go. Not going to get there, though, is it? Eh. All right. Come on. There we go. Target hit. Hey, finally. Ooh, that really burst down. I could have had bigger target there, but that's okay. I needed a win. We got 17 points there. I'll stay flat until after the news here at the top of the hour. Thank you, USC. So those two last losses, I can see what I did wrong. The question is can I prevent myself from doing it in the future? Yeah, this is the one I entered off the 3 minute, and I should have just got out on that first 30-second candle that showed it wanted to reverse. That could have been a much smaller loss. It would have been actually that would have ended up being a win. That would have ended up being 4 point win. I would have been able to take 4 points. Then this one, this purple candle here faked me out. You ask what's the difference between this one and this one that worked, and the answer is this one hadn't really touched a Bollinger. Last time it touched the Bollingers was way back here, so this was just a quick little blip, and then continued back up, and then I didn't take the nice blue candle in trend. Still falling. I could have got much more out of that trade, but like I said, I needed a win, so I'm not upset. We have news coming up in 35 seconds. Whoosh! Well, that took us down over 100 points at the 545 down to 436. It's giving back. It's coming all the way back. Well, about halfway. Yeah, what the heck? University of Michigan sentiment usually moves the market, but not that much. Ooh, ouch! That's why. The number came in at 57.9 and the forecast was 63. That is, I think, the hugest miss I've ever seen on the University of Michigan sentiment. For long. I think he wants to continue back up. We're just going to go for the 9 there on the 30-second. Ouch. Reversal. Maybe coming back down. Ouch. Yeah. Right. Maybe not. That 9's moving quick. Hold on. No, it's going to stop me. I think. Maybe not. Come on, bounce. Give me that bounce. Wow. I'm back to green on this trade. There we go. Target hit. 10-pointer. Getting another blue candle. I don't know if I trust it. I thought for sure I was toast on that trade, honestly. Fighting back. Should have taken that blue. Should have got back in on that blue. Or just stayed in, but, you know. That's what I hate about going red. You know, especially if it's big red. Because you start feeling like you need a win and you need to chip away at that red total. You don't want to end up holding a trade that comes back to break even and you made no progress, you know, getting out of the hole. So you don't, you're way more careful. At least I am. I'm way more careful and I take smaller wins or I'm not willing to try and hold a trade for longer just because I want to, you know, don't want it to come back at me and take me out for a break even. Yeah, we got some speed going now. Got a need for speed. Yeah, look at this. So we hit a low of 436 on that news candle, and it's all the way back up by over 100 points now. So it's almost like that news candle didn't happen. We'll see if it recovers the entire thing. Remember, we have no rolling the markets with RJ today. He had to take off for today. So the stream will be ending at 11 Eastern today. Took the long off that blue candle on the 3. I do see that the 9-minute EMA is creeping up there. 9-minute EMA. What did I just say? 9 EMA on the 3-minute. Roll that one back in my head. I'm like, what the heck did I just say? There it goes. Breaks that. There we go. Come on. There's my boom. Struggling there, though. I'm out. Take that. 18 points. 18 3/4. It's going to go further. Yeah, now it is. Why couldn't it do that before I got out? But that's okay. It's going another 15, 17 cents. Yeah, that was my burst up that I got to start holding these trades. Pulls back after hitting 577. Now I'm starting to read the market better. I was in a slump there for a bit. I'm still, I'm less than 50% today. There was a run there over a 30-minute period. I lost 6 trades out of 7. Now I've won 3 in a row. My saving grace is that my winners are still bigger than my losers. Not by much, but excellent, John. Excellent. Glad to hear that. We're coming back down now, and to me, it looks like based on the 3-minute chart, it wants to come down, but we'll see. I can't wait until I can hear you say this every day, John. Be able to sit here with us our full 3 or 4 hours or whatever, and hear you call out your wins, call out your hitting your daily goals. I'm looking forward to that. Um, John DeFore, if you haven't yet, remember to accept that league invite for the fantasy baseball. We need to find a 10th team. We can't have an uneven amount of teams. I need to find one more person that's interested in fantasy baseball, or 3 more people would be, or 5 more people would be great. But at this point, we're down to the deadline, so I need to finish off the league. So if anybody that's already doing fantasy baseball knows of someone that they might be interested in joining, does if even if they're not part of Mighty Ox Trading and you just know them, please invite them. What USC fantasy baseball? It's just fun. There's no money involved. At least not in our league. I mean, I know there's some leagues that do money. Um, well, if we don't want to do the Asia series, we can hold off for a few more days, Tio. Morning, Burrell. How are you? Burrell, you're not into fantasy baseball, are you? uh, Up and down. University of Michigan sentiment just missed horribly and caused the market to shoot down, pop back up, and now it's shooting down again. Have a good weekend, Chris. See you Monday. Blue candle pop here, right up against the 9. This is an iffy one. Glad I didn't take it. I would have sucked. I know that, Tio. I knew it was a joke. Tio, I've never taken anything you've said seriously. That also was a joke. Secondary blue candle there for long. Iffy area. Blue candle is more wick than I would have liked. I didn't see that until too late. There we go. Come on. Go back to green. Put a target on that 9 EMA and for the 3, but nope. Stop this out anyway. Okay, backwards again. Darn it. Ooh, it just sideways here right now. Can't decide which way it wants to go. Ah, no JJR this morning? Or is he just quiet? Yeah, I should have listened to myself and stayed out of that. Okay. Yeah, I should have stayed out of the shop. Going backwards again. Ouch. So I was doing good, and I thought I was going to get back to green, and now I'm just hurting myself. Stupid trade there to take it when it wasn't breaking out. It broke out to the downside, and which is what I should have looked at. We were below the 9 on the 3 minute chart. We're coming down. I should have. Purple's the one I should have taken, not the blue. Target hit there. Only went for an 8-point target up to the 9 on the 32nd. Going further, I should have probably just seen what that candle did. Again, I'm fighting back from red, so I'm too conservative. Yeah, look at that run. It just hit the third band, and it gave me a beautiful green candle with a big old wick. And that told me it was going back up, and it ended up going 36 points in my entry, and I got 8. Another blue candle there. Yeah, should have taken that one up to 9 EMA. Nice move up. It's also a blue candle to 3. I don't know. Take a long here. Shot in the dark. Boom. Ooh, I took it at the right time. Stalls. Out. Small win. 6 points. Almost 7. Oh, wow. Yeah, I got it out at the right time. Comes all the way back. Purple candle there that I'm not wasn't comfortable with. So far, that proves to be right. Purple candle. Didn't take that first purple. Didn't like it. The second one's interesting to me, though. See how it finishes. It got 20 seconds on it. Well, after that's finishing. Short. Tight. It's not really, I can't call it a tight stop. It's 12 points. Come on, I need a whoosh. There we go. Sometimes asking, you shall receive. Popping up, out. 13 points, 13 and a quarter. We're fighting back. I'm feeling like JJR on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in the last. That's time on that. I have it blocked. 5 trades in the last 11 minutes. Coming back down. Popping again. Blue candle on the 3. Bumping up against that EMA. About 30 minutes to go in today's stream. How's everybody doing today? Are we red, green, or somewhere in between? Breaking the 9 on the 3. Yep, back under. Green is good, TL. Green is good. Scratch. Well, scratch is better than red. I know Mr. John DeFord's green today. Nice, nice, John. Nice. Blue candle there on the three-way. Take it. Wick and body about the same size, and it finished under the 9. So no confidence in that. So it should pop 50 points now. We're choppy now. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Chop till we drop, or chop till our P&L drops. Hey, Gabor. Hey, Cossack. Haven't seen you in a long time. How you been? Gabor doesn't allow. I mean, I'm sorry. DuckDuckGo doesn't allow chat windows. That seems like a very bad feature. YM. Oh yeah, YM does look nice. Oh yeah, YM looks beautiful. It misses RJ. Yeah, I've been look at that. So on the 3-minute chart, clear moves. Beautiful entry here for this move up. Beautiful entry here for the move down. There's that weird 9 o'clock thing. Oh yeah, that's the news. Beautiful purple candle there for that move down. Blue bounce back up. This is wonderful. I missed this blue candle though here, right here. This was perfect. Blue in the shaded green area, and you can see it's gone 20 points. But I'm watching now the blue candle on the 3-minute chart. It's about 30 points. May switch to about 5 micros on that. That's getting a little big now. 45 points. And see, now I don't want to trust it. I think it's going to pull back first, especially since we're in the Bollingers. We just touched the third Bollinger Band on the 32nd. I think we're gonna. I mean, I think we were moving up, but I think we're gonna pull back a little bit first. So far, just going. Yeah, that should. If I had taken it, I would have gotten 15 so far. That was being too cautious. Yeah, way too cautious. This would have been a great trade. Taking a short. Off that tiny red candle, it might just pop right back up on me. We'll see. Eh, just drop. That's the wrong way. Ah, stop me out. Should have got out when it showed me a doji, I guess. Oh, it's going to come right back down. It is. So we're going to try again because I'm stupid. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Coming back on me, I'll take it. 10 points. Kind of canceled each other out. And it's still dropping. I gotta stay in these ones that are actually gonna win. It pops back up. Got down to that 9 EMA, or up to it. Down to it? Up to it? Yeah, down to it. And bounced. 15 minutes to go. And we're still rising up now. I should have taken that blue since it was kind of a bounce off that other, that EMA there. I didn't, obviously. All right, John, have yourself a great weekend. Glad you had such a great day. We'll see you on Monday. Taking along now. Boom. Ah, Pull back. Out. Out. Dang it. Took a 1 tick loss. That was stupid. Wants to try again. Oh, not going to be a blue, I don't think. Nope. Hmm. Hey, Ace, how you doing? Oh, awesome. I was wondering if what was going on with that. That said, I'm gonna kind of like miss having you around here. Next week should be a bit calmer week. Not as much red folder news. Oh, we already talked. I mean, when I mentioned that you're a regular here, he's mentioned about doing some cross promotional stuff. So you got to learn how to use some technology, maybe, anyways. Okay, you say don't say anything, and you just posted that in a public chat. CFT starts as soon as the stream starts on Monday. This is kind of died here. I mean, USC where he's going isn't far away. Trying a short here because I'm, trying to force some profits before the end of the stream, completely for vanity reasons. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Boom! 29 points there. And, okay, I am proud of this, guys. I mean, I'm not proud of the fact that I went down by almost $1,200. Here's my trade list and my P&L for today. If Tradovate will load it. It's stuck. My P&L for the day now, 98.96. I was down almost $1,200 in the red, and I came back and now green. I hate it when Tradovate does this. Come on. And you can see my net total, net liquidity right here. So this means in 2 weeks on this account, I've earned $9,638. I really wanted to hit 10,000 today. I did not, but that's a pretty good 2 weeks. Obviously, I wish I could show my stats, but it's not working. TradeMate just has more and more problems lately. It's not working. Nice. Gavor. I did get lucky at that trade because you see it popped right back up. I remember that total, that 9,600. It's all one trade contract, one contract trades. This competition account doesn't allow you to trade more than one contract at a time. So it's not like, there's times I was going in with 5 contracts or anything. That is all just one contract. Anyway, my opinion, Ace, shouldn't be afraid to show your P&L. No one's going to come after you or or anything. And I think it can be motivating to people. But I understand, you're a very private person, so I do understand that your hesitation. But I don't think it's going to harm anything. Nice move right back up. So I got lucky on that short, really lucky. So remember, no fourth hour today, no RJ wheel. Yes, CFT will be here Monday from 8 to 11. We're going to be grabbing some of those Wealth Simple accounts from Apex. We're going to be trading those and showing off that platform. CFT is going to be talking bonds, of course, and of course we'll have a lot of fun banter as well. That's assuming I have power. We have a major storm blowing through tonight. Hopefully it doesn't knock out power for days. Wow, look at this rise up here as we end the stream. Look at this go. 50-point move up. So anyway, I really want to thank everyone for joining me this week. Hope everyone's had a great week. Enjoy your weekend. We'll be back on Monday with CFT, as well as announcing the winners of the Apex giveaway, sponsored by Robin for Money. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you Monday. Bye.